Hello, welcome in. We're doing a quick house tour. I moved, and I'm going to be answering your guys' questions on moving to LA while we talk about my new place. So, you've arrived in the living room. I just recently moved here like about literally 5 days ago. Everything you see here is either from Basic Marketplace or from someone else. And that's how we're balling on a budget. This green sofa was $180. She's not clean yet, but I'm still sitting on it, so you guys think I'm like living lavish. This side table is for my roommate. This is, I have no idea where. And I got this TV, which is a 55-inch Roku TV that I got at Facebook Marketplace for $200. And I hogged it across the stairs by myself. Let's see. So I am currently living near Manhattan Beach, Redondo Beach. I live 10 minutes away from the coast. And the reason why I moved from my other place, if you guys were wondering, is I was literally living with my best friend and she basically kicked me out. So anyways, this is my coffee table. This is also from Facebook. This did not come like this. We kind of got it scratched, but I will color it over. It was $60. We have another side table and some art. I can bet you can guess where everything's from. This is the plant. This is gonna be the bedroom and bathroom. We're not gonna go there yet. We're gonna go to the kitchen and then I'll take you guys there. This is where I barely cook. Some of you guys asked me on Instagram, what is your favorite way to spend money? And for me, it's food. Like I love taking my friends out to eat. I like to eat. I don't like to cook, but when I do, I will typically make a pesto pasta. This is our fridge. All the appliances in this building are brand new, which is super nice. As you see, there's not much. In the fridge, I have also nothing. I do like pasta stickers from Trader Joe's. I normally make a smoothie in the morning, and that's it. Here's my Tavala oven, which I actually have never talked about Tavala. I get my food mostly delivered to me, and Tavala is an oven where this is not even an ad. They don't even deserve an ad, but I love it so much. I'm going to talk to you guys about it. It's basically where you get food delivered to you, and in this oven, it literally makes it for you. Like, you don't have to do anything. I will put a link below if you guys are interested. So we just got this new table in for the dining room. This is, I believe, also from, can you guess? Facebook Marketplace. But yeah, we have these cushions. I was working here. Sometimes I will take my Zoom calls in here just because the lighting is so beautiful. Like right now it's sunset and it's so super bright and really nice. And we're gonna go into the bedroom. Oh yeah, before we actually go to the bedroom, this is the closet space. There's a lot of cabinet space everywhere. And I really do like this because I will hoard things and I want to look clean. So at least I can look put together. This is my room. I just got everything literally this weekend. So we have my bed, which is honestly the first bed that's not like springy or awful. Like everyone knows this, but I've been sleeping on like really questionable beds and I never had a bed frame. Now I finally have my own bed frame. So yeah, this bed, everything's from IKEA. This chair is from Facebook Marketplace. This table is from Facebook. That's from Facebook too. But what I like about this chair is it's an ergonomics chair, I think. Is that how you pronounce it, babe?
Ergonomic, yeah.
It's just like, it feels good. The wheel broke when I got it, but we fixed it with super glue. But fun fact, so I was super gluing this chair, right? Like, cause the wheel fell off. And basically I accidentally super glued my fingers together. The thing is, I had to like rush, like the next 10 minutes I had to go to dinner with like a client of mine. I was like Red Bull. And I was like fucking like this. I couldn't open it, but finally it broke loose because I washed my hands aggressively. So just don't, like what I learned is do not do arts and crafts before you have important things to do. Anyway, so we have this bookshelf. I have my necklaces. Got my Jade necklace in here. Cute. We got a lucky bamboo plant. This is the perfume I use. It's Versace. It's Versace. Pro Femme de Eau de Parfum. It smells like, babe, smell it. What does it smell like to you?
Oh, it smells like perfume.
Smells.
It's kind of floral.
It's floral. It's grapefruit. I honestly got it because I knew my boyfriend would like it. I also have a nasal decongestant spray because I cannot breathe without her. I have my glasses, my sunscreen. Everyone knows that I wear sunscreen even when the sun's not even out. And my closet. It's just a closet, but I do have this like nice closet organizer. And if you guys were wondering, I organize my clothes based on color, not by shape. Anyone who like organizes their closet by shape is a monster. So as you can see, light to dark, as it should be. I'm joking. I actually don't really think about it like that. Let's go into my bathroom. This is actually a small closet space. I think we have toilet paper and luggage. The bathroom is kind of small, and that's the only thing about this place which I don't love. But she's cute. We got cute things on the vanity. This is my shower. Guys, you should have saw my last shower. It had jets, it had everything, but at least now I have a mattress that's actually good. You can't win at everything. But yeah, I do have, if you guys are wondering, I do have a roommate. She works 9 to 5. So that's why I'm able to film videos and work. So it works out that way. I also just, I'm scared to sleep alone. Okay, we're gonna go back here and sit on the couch and just finish off this house tour with a few things. I know a lot of you guys were wondering, you know, how much are you paying for your place? This whole place is $2,300, so I'm paying $1,150 basically, plus utilities. And it's been really hard to find places in LA that are safe and cute and have good lighting. So I've honestly found a steal. Most 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartments are around, I would say, 3.5K minimum. If you were in this area, I am not in LA. I'm like a little bit lower, near the beach, but I prefer it that way, but still really hard to find a place. If you're also wondering, I do live on I live on a gated community, so I do feel pretty safe here. And yeah, living here has been really great. I moved out just a week ago and I'm so far really liking it. And people really compliment our furniture. Like everything's from Facebook. Like people think I spend a lot, but I think everything was furnished for under at 1K, like this whole house, which is pretty good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want more house tour budgeting options or how I find furniture on Facebook Marketplace, just let me know. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.